Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with my Creative Times 153rd edition release. Today is the first day and only day of Sneaky Peeks. However, tomorrow I'll have some different projects to show you. So I'm going to start off with the Christmas Gingers Ephemera. And this is how this looks. Hopefully you can see everything. I believe this is everything that's in the pack. I've used a lot of it, but I still have this left over, and hopefully you can see everything there. Next up, we have the paper that she's come out with. It's called Rustic Christmas. Very cute papers. I love them. And so we have these 6 adorable papers here. This side has snowflakes. This side has polka dots. And then this one has little bows and berries. That's so cute. And then we have some ginger hearts on there. This one we have hollies and berries. Adorable. And then that one, Christmas trees. And then this one we have gingers and stars. And I think it has a little bit of berries in there. And then we have some stars on that side. And Christmas trees. And then we have the pattern paper for that side. And we have like a wood grain, and then snowflakes on that side. Next up, we're going to get into the dies that she's released. Starting out, we have the ginger tree, and this one has 4 pieces in its set. Really cute. And this is 2 different sets of bows. They'll be sold separately. The small double bow die, as well as the medium double bow die, and so we'll have 5 pieces in each, so these 5 will go with the small, and these will go with the big, sold separately. And then next up we have the Cozy Holiday Wishes, and that's the stamp set there. Hopefully you can see everything. It's not focusing. Focus. But anyways, hopefully you can see that. This set will also come with dies, and I want to say there's 23 sentiments as well as the dies. And it's called Cozy Holiday Wishes. And last but not least, we have the treat box and button dies. And there's 12 pieces in each. But this is a really nice set because you can use these pieces for toppers or anything you'd like for this, as well as that if you'd like. But it's a very, very cute box. And these are the additional dies that I've chosen to use with my projects. So we have assorted mini bow dies, we have the pretty scallop oval dies, and pretty oval layers. We have the triangle treat die, rectangle frame die layers, pretty scallop tall tag dies, tall tag frame dies, and tall tag layer dies, I believe. And last but not least, we have the belly band dies. This is in the retirement section right now. Very cheap, so if you want to get your hands on that, you might want to pick that up already, because once it's gone forever. But I really like that, and I just purchased this myself, so it's really nice. Okay, I'm going to start out showing the ginger tree die. Love this, and I thought, why not use it with that triangular box die that she has, and that would be perfect as a treat box. And so this is how I created mine. I did put some stickles on top of the peppermints all around. Use that little mini bow die, and there goes the sentiment that went with the cozy stamp, Cozy Holiday Wishes. And then you can just open that, pop something in there. Now I did just take a little punch or die and put that there so it can be easier to open. But love how that turned out. So cute. Love it. And I did decorate, as you see, all of the sides with the paper. That is just adorable. So that was one way I used that. Next up, I'm going to show you the treat box and button dies. Now on this one, I only use one button, which is the ginger button. I also use the small double bow, except for I didn't make it into a double bow for this one. I just laid it on top as just using that back piece of that double bow. I really, really like how that turned out. I did make it magnetized. I just put a magnet on there and it closes right up. Added the sugar and spice, makes everything nice. And that set, I'm not sure if I showed you that set, but anyways, this is from her label dies, and so you can find that in her shop. And I just layered that up. I made it very simple, but less is more, and I thought it was just perfect. But I used the layers there and also back here, and I used this little layer to cover up that magnet there, and then underneath I put the magnet underneath that so you won't see it, but it gives you plenty of room down in there to add something, some Christmas goodies or whatever you'd like in there. But this is perfect to use all year long, and she has layers for everything, even the bottom. Just perfect. And that's how I did the back side of it. I love how this box looks. So cute. And then my last items, I wanted to make a Christmas set and showcase off these adorable ephemera images. I thought they were super cute, and it makes such a pretty set. And this is the medium size double bow die, as well as this is where I use the belly band, and I cut out 2 of those and put them together. And then in the back I had to cut a piece of it, but I covered that up with another layer of paper there. But I love this bow, and this is how I'm going to present it with the cards in the inside and along with the tags. Aren't those just adorable? Those little gingers just steal your heart, don't they? Oh, just too cute. And I did finish the back side, so there's plenty of room to use to and from on there, which is also in that stamp set as well. And then there goes Ginger Kisses from Your Secret Santa, and those are adorable. And then look at these houses. They almost look the same with an exception of the candy canes here. And the ephemera will not come stickled up. I added stickles to all of my ephemera when I first got it. And so I wouldn't have to go back and decorate it. It's going to come plain. So if you want yours to be all nice and shiny, break out those stickles and put some on there. But I love it. I even stickled up the card base there. Just too cute. So that's how that one looks. And that one says, Merry Christmas from our home to yours. And then this one says the same, except for I have the little candies in the background instead of the candy cane. Just the little candies there. Oh, and I forgot to add a little circle in the center of there, but I will. I forgot all about that. I meant to do that. But I was going to make the little circle red in the center. But anyways, it's so cute. It's so sparkly. And like I said, remember, the ephemera will not come with the stickles on there. You're going to have to add that yourself. And I thought that just was so pretty with that blue in the background. The inside, I finished this one with this oval. And then the other one, I finished with the rectangle die there. But love this set. It's gorgeous to me. It's absolutely gorgeous. That's all I have for you. Make sure you come back tomorrow because I'll be showing a couple other projects that I created. And that's about it. I hope you like this release because I love it. It's so cute. I'll have the ladies' links down below, my creative time, as well as my design team sisters. My code is MOE for 10% off your total purchase, or if you wait till tomorrow, it's 15% off your total purchase. And that's about all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone, for stopping by. You all have a blessed and crafty day.